Hey guys, so as expected, the first public beta for iOS 27 is now officially available to public beta testers. Now, iOS 27, the official final release, will most likely become available sometime in September, but Apple has now made available the first public beta for the general public to give it a try. Now, with that being said, I don't recommend installing beta software on a primary device. If you want to do that, of course, keep in mind this is still beta software and you may run into some issues, bugs, perhaps performance issues, battery issues, and things like that. Now, I do have to say, so far, I've been running iOS 27 developer betas, which is currently sitting in beta 3 on my primary iPhone 17 Pro Max, and things are working pretty well so far. Now, keep in mind again, iOS 27 public beta 1 is the same as iOS 27 Developer Beta 3. I get that question a lot. What are some of the key differences? And the only difference here is the release date. Apple releases the first developer betas ahead of time in order to sort out some of the most critical bugs and issues. Once the software feels pretty stable, then they release the first public beta. Again, available as of today. If you want to give it a try, let me go and show you how to install iOS 27 Public Beta 1. Now, links will be in the description down below. Make sure you click the links and open it within Safari. It'll bring you here, as you can see right here. All you have to do is swipe down and you want to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, make sure you log in with the same email and Apple ID associated to the iPhone that you want to install the beta on. Okay, so make sure you use the same email or Apple ID on your iPhone and click on sign up or sign in depending if you've already logged in before. Once you go ahead and sign up, you'll see here it'll bring you to the second page showing you all the public betas currently available. So we have iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, of course, watchOS, HomePod software update, and even AirPods. So let's go ahead and select iOS here, and right there it is. Again, iOS 27 public beta. In order to install this first public beta, you want to swipe down, and right here it says enroll your iOS device. So go ahead and click enroll your iOS device. It's going to bring you to a third page telling you to back up your device. Again, this is beta software, although iOS 27 has been running pretty nice so far. I recommend you back up your device, whether it's to a computer or using iCloud. Once you back up your device, right there's the button, Open Beta Updates. Once you click this, it'll bring you into settings and you'll be able to see the first public beta. Right there it is. It is now populated. Go ahead and select that. And then once it is selected, you can go back and the first public beta for iOS 27 is now available for the public to try it out. Now, if you're going to try this on your main device, keep in mind that iOS 27 public beta and developer betas at this point, it's the same software. Developer beta 3 is the same as public beta 1. So all the features and all the changes that we talked about in this channel so far, all those new features will be available on the first public beta as well. And I have to say, iOS 27 seems to be pretty stable at this point, so much so that Apple has now officially made available the first public beta for iOS 27. Let me know if you're going to be trying it on your device, and let me know if you want to see more videos on iOS 27 public beta. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.